Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use two audio outputs simultaneously on Windows 11. First, open any browser and download Virtual Audio Cable. Click the first link in the search results. Look for the download button. Can you see it? Click download. Click save. Open it. Click yes. Click accept. Accept, select yes, and click install. Installation begins. Wait for it to finish. It usually takes very little time. There, it's installed. Go to Start, type. Where did we install it? I put it in C, Program Files, Virtual Audio Cable. Here it is. We need Virtual Audio Cable. Open it, specifically Audio Repeater. Open two audio repeaters and select our two output devices. For example, speakers here and headphones there. Click Start on both. Now we'll use two outputs at once. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time.